The major players such as Turkey, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh threw up mixed sentiments throughout December last year. Hello, viewers, this is Deepika from Steel Mint. Here, I will be discussing how the global scrap market behaved in the last month. Let's start with the following pointers: who was the largest scrap buyer, who lagged behind, and what was the major market sentiment, followed by an outlook. A prominent scrap buyer like Turkey continued to be the top ferrous scrap importing country as per the data tracked by Steel Mint. Interestingly, as market activity has resumed post-holiday, Turkey and Indian buyers have booked many bulk cargoes at increased offers, as the steel makers were optimistic about the export market. Deals were concluded in HMS 8020 that arrived in around 5 vessels from the UK, Europe, US and Netherlands in mid-January. Increased power tariffs, production cuts and dull finished and semi-finished steel demand made it tough for steel makers to maintain their spread. The monthly conversion spread from imported scrap to finished rebar was recorded at $164 per ton till mid-January 2023, from $292 per ton in December 2022 amid rising cost of production. Whereas in India, the monthly conversion spread from domestic scrap to rebar was recorded at 18,952 rupees per ton in January as compared to 16,807 rupees per ton in December 2022. Month on month, it was up by 2,145 rupees per ton. Increased finished steel prices due to improving demand and lower availability of material lead to such a hike on month basis. Recently, 3 bulk ferrous scrap cargoes containing 108,099 tons of different grade of material reached Vizag port. A vessel from Australia carrying 30,000 tons of ferrous scrap arrived at 22nd January. 2 other vessels, one from Canada and another from the US, arrived containing 44,000 ton and 34,099 ton of material respectively. Coming to Bangladeshi's mill, who were under pressure to lower their domestic rebar prices due to the dollar conversion ratio. However, they tried to maintain a normal price spread between local scrap and rebar. The conversion spread from domestic scrap to finished steel rebar in Chittagong was around 28,167 taka per ton in mid-January 2023, down by 583 taka in December 2022. On the other hand, despite the strict restriction on new LC openings, some mills have booked bulk cargoes while others are still cautious due to LC concerns. India surpassed Bangladesh to become the largest scrap dismantling market in 2022. India is in an advantageous position because Pakistan and Bangladesh are going through restrictions on opening letter of credit. Very few LCs could be opened in Bangladesh as the government faced a weak exchange reserves. Also, due to power supply issues, mills were told to curb production while consumption also fell. Pakistan too faced similar challenges as Bangladesh. Recently, all major cities including Karachi, Islamabad and Lahore were all affected by a major power outage that occurred in many other regions of Pakistan. Coming to the near-term outlook, imported scrap prices are likely to remain high in the near term. Prices for Turkey has increased significantly by around $25 to $30 per ton CFR in the last 1 month. It has also impacted the South Asian market and prices have increased significantly to $10 to $15 per ton of major scrap buyers like India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. However, trades will likely remain slow and market gloomy due to LC issues in Pakistan and Bangladesh. Furthermore, Pakistani mills are under threat of closure and have asked the government to help regarding LCs or else millions may lose jobs. Interestingly, the steel industry is one of the largest revenue generating sectors in the country. Now it's time to wait and see what the government will do to help the industry. Please let us know your opinion on the ferrous scrap market in the comment section below. Also, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more such updates, please visit to our website www.steelmint.com.